So you might be trying to figure out how you can sell on TikTok Shop. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic for the most part, and TikTok Shop is so popular right now. So to get started, if you want to go and sell on TikTok Shop, if you don't know, this is basically kind of what it looks like. It just gives you a bunch of, a crazy more amount of ways of just going through and selling things inside of TikTok. What you want to do is you want to go inside of your web browser right here, and you want to basically go and type in, sell on TikTok Shop right inside of your web browser. Now, when you do that, you'll come into this next page, which will show up right here, and you want to go and click on the official TikTok website. So what you can do is tap right into here, and what you want to do here is you'll come into this page. So once you're on this page, all you're going to have to do here is basically just scroll down and start signing up or log in within TikTok. So on the official TikTok, .com website right here, what you want to do is under sign up. Either you can sign up for a TikTok account if you already don't have one, which you probably do, or you can just log in via your account. Now, once you go ahead and actually have this, it says have a login, TikTok, whatever, you can just log in down here. Now, when you sign up, what it's going to walk you through is basically the whole entire walkthrough of this whole entire thing. It's very, very easy. So it's going to walk you down exactly what you need to do to sign up for the account. And this is where you can basically sign up for your TikTok shop is right within this page. So shopping made simple, so many other things. I mean, it's a really, really cool way of just going through and just selling things. And it makes, if you have the right product to sell, you can probably make a good amount of money. So this is the process. You sign up, you complete the application, you get approved, and you link your TikTok account. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.